Since the death of Trayvon Martin, we've all heard a lot in the news about the stand and defend law in Florida and 25 plus other states. How does the stand and defend law apply to Mr. Zimmerman? To answer that question, first we're going to take a look at the common law. Common law comes to us from our roots in England. Common law is the traditional English system of law based on judges' decisions dating all the way back to medieval times. In the United States, we adopted the English common law and made it the basis for our own system of law. Under the common law, you could use deadly force to defend yourself or another person if you were being attacked with deadly force and only if you were in your own home. For this reason, it was called the Castle Doctrine, because your home is your castle, right? Over time, the Castle Doctrine expanded to include your workplace and your car if you were in it. For example, you couldn't shoot someone from across the parking lot if you saw them trying to break into your car when you weren't in it because you weren't in danger. However, if someone attacked you outside your home, place of work, or car, you had to try to retreat and avoid the confrontation in order to plead and prove self-defense. Then the jury was asked to consider if you were charged with murder or manslaughter, whether you had tried to retreat. Now apparently, under the new Florida stand and defend law, we don't ask the question, did Mr. Zimmerman retreat? Did he try to escape the confrontation? If you're in the street, you don't have to retreat. Under the common law, it made sense that you didn't have to retreat when you were at home. You were already at home. Where would you retreat to? You had no choice but to stand and defend. Then, in April of 2005, Florida lawmakers brought the concept of stand and defend to the street. When Jeb Bush signed the law into effect, it drastically changed the common law. Florida law now says if you are attacked anywhere that you have the right to be, you do not have to retreat. You can stand and defend. You can meet force with force, even deadly force. Now, you do not have to be at home or in your car or in your workplace to claim the justification of self-defense for killing someone else. So far, Mr. Zimmerman seems to be protected under the stand and defend law, but I would like to point out to you that before 2005, he likely would have been charged because he wasn't in his home, car, or place of business when he shot and killed Trayvon Martin. Stand and defend. If you're on the street, you don't have to retreat. But what do you think of this law? I'm the Cowgirl Attorney, and I will be following this case step by step and explaining the law to you as we go until the very end.